Welcome to the world of options trading, where the potential for growth is as vast as your ambition. Today we're introducing Chuck Hughes' Income Alerts, also known as CIA, brought to you by FFR Trading. Meet Chuck Hughes, a man with a 35-year legacy in trading. His expertise? A systematic, business-like approach to options, crafted into a trend-following system that has garnered him 10 trading championships. With over $3 million in real profits, Chuck's strategies are more than just impressive. They can be life-changing, and now, he's sharing his knowledge with you. Chuck's Income Alert service offers exclusive trade recommendations, daily recaps, and access to proprietary calculators designed to maximize your trades. Dive into a comprehensive library of educational videos and receive full support from the Hughes Optioneering team. Because with CIA, you're never trading alone. From August 2020 to November 2023, CIA Trade Signals gave members the opportunity to enjoy a 79% win rate, with an average closed trade performance of nearly 154%. Incredible, right? Keep in mind, these past results can't project future success, and there are losers along the way. Whether the market is up, down, or sideways, CIA is designed to profit. With Chuck's guidance, trading options become straightforward, efficient, and potentially very profitable. And here's the best part. Chuck is offering a $1,500 credit towards the CIA program for the first 10 callers today. Yes, you heard that right. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone, be one of the first 10 callers today, and take the first step towards empowering your portfolio. FFR Trading, together with Chuck Hughes, is excited to embark on this journey with you. Call now and let's navigate the markets with confidence.